Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the legendary weird water artifact in Stalker 2. You know, artifacts are the crown jewels of the zone, and the weird water artifact is one of the rarest and most sought after. Stick around and I'll show you how to find it. Before you start, you'll need the right tools. Pack an advanced anomaly detector, plenty of medkits, and some anti-radiation drugs. Make sure your gear is durable because the weird water is hidden deep in a high radiation zone. Head to the specific area, like flooded quarry or cursed swamp. Look for clusters of water-based anomalies. They're the key to finding the weird water. Use your detector to safely navigate through gravitational traps and acidic pools. Trust me, patience is critical here. When you spot the weird water, approach slowly. It's likely surrounded by anomalies. Once you grab it, be ready for a fight. Hostile stalkers or mutants are often drawn to this area. Use grenades to clear them out or sneak past if you can. And there you have it, the legendary weird water artifact. Its unique buffs make it worth the risk. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Stalker 2 tips. See you in the next one.